Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how you could use your Samsung Galaxy device more efficiently? One of the fantastic features that allows for greater productivity is the ability to use two apps simultaneously. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the split screen on your Samsung Galaxy device so you can use two apps at the same time. Whether you're a professional looking to boost your productivity or just want a multitasking option for everyday use, this guide will come in handy. Let's explore together how to use two apps simultaneously on your Samsung Galaxy device. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is tap the Recent Apps button at the bottom of the screen, usually represented by 3 vertical lines. Then, select the app you want to open in split screen, then tap and hold on that app. I'll choose YouTube. Now, swipe your finger on one half of the screen where you want to open that app. Once you've done that, you can now choose which app you want on the other half of the screen by tapping on the square on the right side of the screen and selecting the app. Or simply tap on the search bar next to the square to open the browser. In the browser, type in the app you want, then tap on the app. That's it. Now you can use two apps simultaneously. A very useful feature. I hope this tutorial has helped you make better use of your Samsung Galaxy device. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.